Okay, after we understand how to multiply fractions by fractions, the next skill we're going to work on is multiplying fractions by whole numbers. So, I have a whole number and a fraction. Well, how do I do that? Multiplying fractions, multiply straight across. But in order for that to happen, I need a numerator and a denominator. Well, whole numbers don't have any denominator or numerator for that matter. So, the easiest way to do this is give our whole number a numerator and a denominator. Remember back to my triangle. Any number divided by 1 equals itself. So, 12, let's just make 12 divided by 1. Is it still 12? Sure is. So, 12 divided by 1, still 12 wholes, times 1/3. Okay, now I'm doing that. Now I can just multiply straight across. 12 times 1 is 12. 1 times 3 is 3. So 12 times 1/3 is 12/3. We got to simplify that one. So I look for a number that goes into both of those, and 3 goes into both of those. So now I get 4 over 1, and well, we're back to the triangle. Any number divided by 1 equals itself. So 4 wholes. 12 times 1/3, or 1/3 of 12, is 4. Let's look at another one. 17 times 3/8. This one won't be as nice as 12 times 1/3. But I have 17 times 3/8. So let's just make 17 divided by 1 so that we can make that into a fraction. Times 3/8. Excellent. 17 times 3 is 51. 1 times 8 is 8. Sweet, I'm done. Nope, sorry, still need to simplify this. Even though the only factors of 51 are 1, 3, 17, and 51, and none of those go into 8, we need to simplify it. How we do that? When we have an improper fraction, we convert it to a mixed number. So, we divide. That just looks like a fancy division problem. So 8 goes into 51 6 whole times, and 6 times 8 is 48. Okay, what I'm doing right here is I'm just doing a division problem. 8 goes into 51 6 times. 8 times 6 is 48. We subtract those, get 3. So this remainder becomes our numerator. And that 8, dividing by 8, that's still working. The divisor is still working. So it won't be 6 remainder 3 anymore. It's 6 and 3 over our divisor. So when we are multiplying fractions by wholes, the easiest way is to just make our whole number into a fraction by dividing it by 1 and then multiply straight across. And simplify your answer as needed.